Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the Luxury Escapes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the search button at the bottom of the page. And then if you scroll right a bit, then click on the flights button. And you can click on the search flight button. So first you have to set the type, so if it's going to be a return, a one-way or a one-way trip. And then set the class that you want to fly with, economy, premium, business, or first. And then you have to set the origin country, so or you can type the airport as well, and then the destination. And then you have to set the dates. And now you need a couple of seconds before the searches appear. And as you can see, there are six flights found for these parameters. So if you interested in any of them, then just click on the details button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.